This is the elevator at McElhaney Hall at the Indiana University of Pennsylvania in Indiana, Pennsylvania. This is 80s GAL with RWB fixtures. I'm guessing it's like a Eastern or Reliance something. Reliance. Ground. Here we go down. Car 5. I don't think this is car 5. Here at ground. Robert Shaw building, which is a maintenance building, but the 2 is a cowbell. Here, this is an older building. This elevator is obviously not original. Here 2. A little creaky. I don't know if it's just regular, someone called it. Back down to 1. 88 phone. Distributing Robert Shaw as usual. It's a basic Faker grain 80s elevator. You're back at 1. That's going to be it.